am Bollywood. I am TV.
I'm smart. I'm high tech. I'm cutting Laiko.
For the first time, entertainment now comes with a phone attached.
Ladies and gentlemen, let's have a huge round of applause for the incredible Jacqueline Fernandez and Siddharth Malhotra. Let's have a huge round of applause, guys. It's also a wonderful time where I'm going to request Mr. Atul Jain and, of course, Mr. William Lee to join them for a nice, beautiful
How are
photo.
you? Good to see you guys. Thank you. See you. Come. Thanks. Yeah.
We're trying to find very cool ways to like hold it.
We're trying to figure out the best. The phone, you're away. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay.
And I was like, oh, this is so cool.
Tell them one more.
Yeah, guys, don't get those other ones, please.
Look down. Thank you.
Thank you, ladies. Thank you very much. Guys, at this point in time, we'll just give it another second to this one, and then we'll be done. Guys, thank you all very much. Okay, here's a quick question to you both. Siddharth, Jacqueline, I want to ask you, hi. What was your first reaction to these super phones that you're holding at this point in time?
Well, I am someone who's like all about glamour and, you know, what's fashionable and what's trending and what's in. And the first time I saw it, I was like, wow, it looks really sleek and it looks really cool.
It is pretty sleek and cool.
Really cool.
Yeah, and it's got great features, yeah. Good afternoon, everyone. And we are here launching this phone. So, Jacqueline, have you seen all the features?
Well, I was kind of concentrating on how cool it looked. So I kind of, sorry.
Superficial.
Like,
You don't know anything, but it's a nice looking phone.
It's got Eros movies, it's got Yep TV, it's got Hungama music. Yeah, come on.
all
I mean,
that in this?
you know what? One second. I'm just going to take her backstage and give her a lowdown on all the phone.
Yeah, I think I need to come back and, you know.
Yeah.
Meanwhile, I think you guys should take
Yes, we're taking over. It's a long chat you guys are going to have with the amount of specs on the phone. But at this point in time, when they return, they will know everything. Guys, they'll be back. They'll be back in just a bit. But at this point in time, I have a couple of questions too. Yeah. At this point in time, I'm really on stage. So. After they've researched the phone properly, now they've got a couple of
My
things which...
skirt.
Excuse us,
Jacqueline,
yeah, बहुत
what-
अच्छा किया.
Stairs and my skirt.
These stairs have... Yeah.
मैं इंग्लिश और हिंदी दोनों में सिखा रहा था.
बिल्कुल,
पंजाबी भी बोली. She understood everything. अरे फोटो आप. पहले बताएंगी इन्हें क्या क्या सीखा है.
देखिए, पर इनके पास थोड़े सवाल है, वो तो पूछ ले पहले.
One second, we'll do a photo off for them. So,
Sure.
Okay.
You can,
sir, if we keep the...
you can hand them over to me. I got it. Here you go. Atul, we together have a mic collection, as you can see. All right, guys, we're going to have to continue the show, so I'm going to hand you guys your microphones back.
Sorry?
Okay, so guys, there's going to be a lot more opportunities for a photo op, so not to worry at all. And you guys have a few questions now?
I do.
Yes.
Okay, Jacqueline, we'll start with
Jacqueline
you.
first.
I have a very pressing question.
Okay,
All right,
Mr. Atul, this
okay.
is a...
So what makes this blockbuster phone so blockbuster? I keep hearing blockbuster phone. So what makes it so blockbuster?
Jacqueline is saying, what makes this phone blockbuster? I think we need to really go deep into your life. And as I know from the actor's life, you are very, very busy between shoots, right? And if you're busy between shoots, I'm sure you go to your vanity van sometimes.
We
And
spend more time in our vanity vans than
there you
on
are.
shoot.
Now, I don't want you to get bored, so La Echo has actually brought this phone for you. You can enjoy your favorite movies, favorite serials, actually sitting in your vanity van without bothering about anything. And you can be ready for the next shoot very easily.
What if we then miss our next shot? Because
Yes.
we're so busy watching TV.
Atul, this is a
And there won't
problem
be
we
any
should have
movies.
taken into account.
Be a problem for our directors.
There won't be any movies being made then.
Is there a
We're only
reminder
sitting in our
mode
vanity.
which stops the
Actors
show
only.
and says, like, go work?
I think that's really cool. Actually, there is usually nothing really much to do in
Oh
our
yes,
vanities.
it's extremely helpful and great content on a phone like this.
And-
So now I have a question.
Oh my,
You know,
okay.
I'm all about being a maverick in industry and coming in and doing something new. How do you think this phone changes the game, sir?
You're saying changing the game?
Yes.
Siddharth, if you really look through what I said earlier, I think it's not about changing the game. It's about changing the entire, in my view, the playfield. It's no longer a devices world. It's no longer manufacturers making hardware. It's all about actually getting content and ecosystem around the devices, making entertainment on the go available to Siddharth, you, Jacqueline, you, and to all the super fans over here. I think that's how we will change the playfield.
I'm excited.
Right,
Are
it
you
is
cool?
great. And with all these features already inbuilt, I think that's all we need.
Yeah.
It's all in over there.
Just
So I
keeps
want you
getting
to be
better
the
and better,
super fan
seriously.
for us very soon.
And we get to keep these.
I hope so, because they look super expensive, so I
Yeah.
hope we're getting gifted.
But the thing is, yeah, that's the point. Now, we are all pretty convinced about the phone. They are super phones, but here's the most important question. How much does it cost? This is a very important part of everybody's thought pattern. Plus, I have just half a kidney left after the car and home loan, Atul, so I'm hoping it's not too expensive. This is just about our life support. So should we guess? We are giving away a free pressure cooker if you guess the right
Oh,
right
really?
answer.
Chalo, bhaiyo.
It's my
I'm-
pressure
Free
cooker.
phone. You'll
I'm
get
just
the
giving it
free
to
I
you.
get a free pressure cooker.
Okay, so how much do you think the phone costs?
Okay, well, wait.
Okay, okay.
I
you
want to
start.
win this pressure cooker. Okay, there's a lot of features.
Blockbuster,
It looks blockbuster phone. It looks super sleek.
music.
There's music. There's
I'm prompting you.
live,
Everything there is live music, concerts.
Okay, 20. I'm gonna go with 20.
Jacqueline says 20,000 rupees?
Yes.
Okay, she says 20,000 rupees.
So are we warm, cold, freezing? What's
What do you think? Should we price at 20,000?
Okay, I guess I'm on a tight budget, so around
Please.
ladies?
I
Do a
know,
little more
Siddharth, I
expensive
know
than
you need to
that.
work harder. I know.
I'm a very tight
Siddharth, how
budget,
much
but-
can you pay?
I don't know about the 17, 18.
Siddharth is now being very generous to all the super fans and everyone. He wants it at 17, 18. What do you think?
Yeah, I mean.
Is
I
it
think
okay
20.
or it's we should be higher or low? We should be higher?
Higher? Yeah,
Come on.
It's still high?
बोल के बोल. कितना है इस फोन का?
Okay.
बोल.
बिल्कुल बोल लगाइए आइए
So let me just
Oh,
announce the
whoa!
pricing,
Whoa.
which is
10,999. That's
this
insane.
is wait,
Even
wait,
Cyrus can afford that.
I can't personally. But I can look at it still.
wait. So this
we
is
can get
the,
two. Yay!
okay. So let them,
The 1.6 Eco.
So that's an incredible price.
they can go down now.
Yeah, that's
are we
an
watching?
Amazing price, guys. That pretty much
So-
takes care of a lot of problems.
This is actually the pricing of La 1S, which we have right now.
That's
So this is not the
fantastic.
price which we are going to announce.
Wow. What?
Yes.
What's the price you're going to announce?